How to use Freepik's AI image generator for social media content. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Freepik's AI image generator for social media content. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up AI image generator by Freepik. So search for that in your web browser. After that, head over to this AI image generator. And after you're here, log in into your account. You can always create an account using your Google account, so that's very easy. Then simply hover over to AI Suite right here on the top and choose AI image generator. After you choose that, you'll then need to create an AI image first, which is also really simple. So you can describe an image right here. So enter a text prompt, then finally tap on generate. You can also select how many images that you want. So I'll just limit it at 1, then tap on generate. After you tap on generate, the image should start generating. Now here you can see you've generated the image. This is the image. Now, if you want, you can also change this aspect ratio to fit your social media. So before you generate another image, you'll see this ratio option. Tap on this. Then you can choose what ratio you want. So if you want it for a story, you can find the 9:16 social story option, which you can click and then tap on generate again. Then it should start generating another image with the required ratio. After you tap on the download button, the image should start downloading. After the download completes, you can also download this. And after you've downloaded it, you can simply post this in your story. And if you want to make a different type of update or different type of edit to your image, what you can do is you can always just head over to the edit option. So tap on edit image here. And after you tap on it, you can change it using different prompts. You'll also find retouch, resize, restyle, background, upscale, and adjust option. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.